Okay, so the next step is to assemble the cross slide. What you'll need is your cross slide plate, all 10 of your V-wheels, 4 of the M4 socket rounded head cap screws, both lead screw blocks, your medium-sized hex key, and your extra long Allen key. So the first thing you need to do is orient this cross slide plate such that it's easy to work with. What you'll want are these 2 larger holes at the top, this square of 4 holes to your left, and these 2 smaller holes and these 2 smaller holes to your right, like so. First thing you do is attach the V-wheels. So you take a V-wheel, put the Allen key into the hexagonal central portion of the V-wheel. So first V-wheel goes all the way in the hole that's all the way on the bottom right. You won't be able to spin the V-wheel with your hand because it spins. So just use the hex key to lock that in place. You also use the hole that's all the way on the right. Use the hole that's on the bottom in the middle. Nice and snug. You use the hole that's of the 4 holes that are along this plane. The right middle hole, use this one. And the hole all the way on the left that's second from the top. Next, you take one of your lead screw blocks. This lead screw block is going to screw into these 2 holes right here. You just line it up. You use your M4 screws and your extra long Allen key. And that just screws into place again, nice and snug. You want to make sure these hex keys and these screws are these V-wheels and these screws are pretty tight, because this assembly is going to be moving and you don't want anything to vibrate loose. Once this half of the cross slide plate is together, you flip it over. And you attach V-wheels to the remaining holes. The remaining large holes per se. Once those are all in place and nice and snug, we take our remaining lead screw block, line it up over the last 2 small holes, Unscrew this into place. Again, nice and snug. And then you have your cross slide assembly.